Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Katrina's Corner, and today we're going to be slaying Miss Vanya from the Melted Hairline collection. She is in a color 1B, and this is her packaging and her stock card. It shows all the different colors that she comes in, including hair care tips as well. So here is the wig out of the pack, and this is her cap construction. She is not a full lace wig. She comes with baby hairs along the hairline. She has an elastic band, 2 combs on the sides, and 1 comb in the nape of the neck. I cut out my adjustable straps. You are obviously free to keep yours in. I just don't use them. Here you see me using my foundation and my contour to tint my lace. I do that because if I am wearing makeup, I obviously want that contour to blend in with my lace. And if I'm not wearing makeup, I don't want my foundation to be too stark and bright to where my lace is very noticeable with a bare face. All right, so here's where I get pissed off because the clip of me customizing this wig is nowhere to be found. But I will link a video here that shows you how I do my wigs. Only difference being that for this install, I could not find my wax stick, but I would still recommend you use a wax stick. Pray for me. Hold on. I'm gonna need you to go hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, okay? And now that you've done that, we can get back to the video.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Okay, so now I'm finally using a blow dryer to lay my lace. For the first time on this channel, I am not being lazy. And I cut my lace off camera, but I cut my lace just like I normally do. I'm just gonna go from having lace to having no lace, and we're not gonna freak out about it, right? Right now, I'm using my glasses though to line up a perfect spot for cutting my ear tab lace. I think that this is the best hack for me, because I can still see while doing it. And then I just continue to get all the areas with my lace spray, and then I blow dry it one last time with my blow dryer. So I finally have the right tool for curling my baby hairs, y'all. It is my pencil flat iron from Red by Kiss. I'm so hyped. Now, this texture hair, I don't know what they did to this yucky hair, but when I tell you this thing curls perfectly, it's curled like some human hair. Like, what? Like, that was 2 passes only. All right, so we're using the olive oil castor oil wig grip gel to lay the baby hairs today. I could not find my Got2b in the black tube, so we had to make do with what we had. And it worked out really freaking well. Like, I was not expecting that. And even like taking the wig off afterwards was really, really easy. The gel comes up with just water, and it grips very, very good. Like, this isn't even an edge control, but I'm finna use it as an edge control from now on. That's kind of cute. Oh my gosh. And personally, I would recommend you keep your alligator clips or whatever clips you have on your hairline the entire time you're installing, because the amount of spray I use, gel, and blow drying really set my hair in place so much that like the volume was not going nowhere. Like I have been wearing this wig for weeks and weeks afterwards, and yo, I'm telling you, the volume still ain't dropped. Like the volume's still high, bro. Nah, I know y'all see that. I know y'all see all that work that I'm putting in to get rid of them tangles. Now, yes, I am styling the wig, so I got to be a little, forgiving where that's concerned. But as someone, like I just said, who has been wearing this wig for weeks, you definitely gonna need your silicone spray for this one. Like I think I cut her shorter after the second time wearing her out. And by like the fifth time, she was even shorter. Like I had to just keep cutting and cutting. And yeah, you can revive wigs, but personally, I don't want to do all that work. Like now, is she worth a buy? Oh, for sure. Is she beautiful? 100%. But is she going to last you at this length? Probably not. I just love this daggone volume. Like, it's giving Sailor Moon bangs on a wolf cut. Like, that's a whole eatery. You ate that. 4+4? You ate that. I know I say this for like almost every wig, it seems like, but I'm absolutely in love with this. Like, and me being in love with this today means a lot to me because I honestly did not even want to do my hair. I'm just like obsessed. And can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Okay? This little thing right here. I was waiting on her. I was waiting on her. And for good reason. I like the whole Sailor Moon-esque bang thing going on. But I don't know if y'all can really see because I do have a dark thing behind me. This is not a curtain. This is a robe. Yeah, that's what happens when your blinds break and you don't buy new ones. But today is shaping up, well, tonight is shaping up to be a very good night. Some people give credit to whatever. I give credit to God because I was not feeling it today. God, I was not feeling it today. You know I wasn't feeling it today. I lost my regular got to be, so I had to use this on the baby hairs. Ended up absolutely loving it. Like what? Finally found a blow dryer. And yeah, it's old. Yes, this is duct tape. Please, don't do me. Don't do me. Listen, if it blow air, it's a blow dryer. Okay. I had also, what is it? Also lost my wax stick. Like there's so many things that almost made this video a disaster. I need to get me a new wax stick because doing just this was very hard. The minute I put the hot comb on this, it started to get white. It was stuck. It wouldn't move through the hair and comb. I had to really fight with that thing. This is the volume I be wanting with my other wigs. The other wigs that I've already uploaded. This is what I be wanting. This volume, the Prince Charming. You got all the volume in the front and can never get to the back. Like, that's what I've been looking for. Ah, thank you, mother. Like, literally. I'm very happy. Things are changing. Quality hopefully will get better. I'm not in a bathroom, as you can see, because that bathroom be too damn hot. The wigs be sliding right off my head right after I laid them, and it's just pointless. The bathroom is too hot. I'm going to stay in here, up in my room. It's quiet, and it's peaceful, and I'd rather be up here anyway. So this might be the background until I get an actual backdrop, but we going to work together, y'all. We going to work it out. We going to work it out. You know what I'm saying? I do rock with y'all for watching these videos. If you do watch to the end, bro, I rock with you immensely. I rock with you in a way that I don't rock with other people. I mean that for real. And listen, some days you don't feel like getting up and doing anything. Today was one of those days. There's a lot of things that stress people out, that are stressing me out currently. And I didn't know that this is what I needed. I needed a very perfect install, in my opinion. Perfect for me. Hopefully perfect for somebody else as well. And for once, all of my lace is laid. I'm not compromising and hiding bits and pieces of it with my glasses. This video might be a lot more of me talking at the end, but I really just wanted to be more transparent and like relate to y'all. Makes this more of a connection. It makes this less of an artificial interaction, because there's nothing normal about me sitting in front of a phone that is propped up on a ring light in my room talking to myself alone as if I'm talking to 90 million bajillion people or my best friend. I think that's really, really cool. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I do believe you should get Vanya. She is that one. She's that one, the two, the three. She's all of them. So, with that being said, with that being done, with that being known, please make sure if you rocking with me and you want to stay with me on this channel, completely free. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but YouTube's completely free. Completely free. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified of all the videos I post from here on out, baby. I promise you, my eyes will not be rolling in the back of my head the next time y'all see me. I will not film while I'm this tired. I will be responsible. I don't know why I'm pointing this. This is enough. I'm doing too much. This is enough. I love y'all. Goodbye. Stay prayed up. This world is crazy. Peace.
Straight up, straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds.